How to switch to T-Mobile Free 2026. To switch to T-Mobile for free, first of all, you must leverage their Keep and Switch or Family Freedom reimbursement programs to pay off your old contract, participate in their new network pass, free trial, or secure a free phone promotion when opening a new account. So, try the network for free. First of all, you simply have to launch the T-Mobile website on your web browser. From here, you can get 30 days of free unlimited data alongside your existing service. You simply have to download the T-Life mobile application on an unlocked eSIM compatible phone, then follow the prompts to set up a secondary trial line. Your phone number and current cellular provider will not change. You can also have T-Mobile pay off your phone. You simply have to take a screenshot of your current carrier application and then establish a new account on T-Mobile's Join Us hub. Then, within 30 days, upload the screenshot of your previous bill to the T-Mobile Rebate Center, and T-Mobile will send you prepaid or virtual prepaid MasterCard for up to $800 per line to completely cover what you own your old carrier. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.